You know, I can't wait for Terra Luna Classic to prove all of you doubters wrong. Um, Now, if it somehow doesn't go the way that we think as Terra Luna Classic investors, believers, part of the community, then I will come out and say that. I don't believe that that is the case, right? When we look at Terra Luna Classic and we look at the potential, the positives clearly outweigh a lot of the negatives. Yes, we can look at the major negative that's in the room and go with the FTX collapse and what happened to Terra Luna Classic and what made it get to where it is today could be considered a major failure for people that are invested into it now that see it at the prices that it's at now, if not even lower. There's nothing but positives as we move forward. And this is my opinion, and I'm going to say it's my opinion, but I truly believe we're getting into the reins to where this can go from opinion to fact. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links that are down below, it does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. This is a platform that I've been using for over a year at this point. Maybe going on a year and a half, actually, maybe even pushing to 2 years. But on your first time deposit, you can get a 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055. Enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees and enjoy up to a 500x leverage on various cryptocurrencies with no VPN and no KYC that's required. So feel free to check it out. Link to this is down in the description at the top of the description if you want to get started there. They also offer demo trading, where if you are not comfortable with trading or leverage trading and you want to test out the markets, you can do so by not trading with real money, but trading in the real markets, which is cool. So definitely check it out. Link is at the top of the description. Now, I've held Terra Luna Classic for a long time. I've been holding for, 6 years at this point? I've been holding for a very long time, going on 6 years, because it was like May in 2020, right? Or 2021. Going on 5 or going on 6 years. I can't remember exactly the date because it's just everything's blending together. But when the collapse happened, I saw it at its low. I bought with $43, turned it into $6,000 worth of a gain, and still had some left on the table. I decided to put majority of that money back into it and get 100 million coins for what the future of Terra Luna Classic will be. I still have $1,000 gain off of my $43 investment, which still makes me positive. But I would like to see a lot more as we move forward. I've been a big believer in Terra Luna Classic, and it went from being less community driven to now being pretty much 100% community driven. As of early 2026, the network is considered 100% managed by its community and validators without the involvement of Terraform Labs. This is, I think, very big because there is a difference between a community driven token and a community driven coin. A community driven token, right, still functions off of the chain that's trading on. Community driven coin, you're talking about the creativity, the structure, the changes within the network. We're talking about bigger deal or a bigger deal here for Terra Luna Classic and the Classic chain. The changes, the things that can be made, what feels like could be the top, you know, person in charge or validator in charge could then change based on a community vote. And it truly is community driven to where we can do a lot of different stuff and implement a lot of different stuff based on what the community wants. Not just, oh, let's say this Shiba Inu over here, we have a big community and we can do a lot of stuff with the community, but it's still dependent on the fact that Shiba Inu can't be changed, we would have to burn it ourselves outside factors and can't do anything with Shiba Inu itself. But for Terra Luna Classic, we can do anything that we want as long as we all agree to it, as long as we all vote on that thing, right? So this is definitely the community-driven coin, the community-driven project. It is, fully decentralized, and we have full control over what can be done. That's the difference. Now, Terra Luna Classic price-wise stands at a 0.00004382 level, a $240 million market cap with $9 million worth of volume. It's still tradable on various places, right? Let me go back to markets. For some reason, it wouldn't let me go. Binance, BitGet, Gate.io, KuCoin, MEXC, Crypto.com. You still have 98 other trading pairs. I currently have it on MetaMask. I have my 103 million sitting on MetaMask. And the reason why it's sitting over here is because Kraken, where I held it for the longest time, delisted it. And the delistings got a lot of people worried. It didn't get me worried at all, because the negativity, I know, will then bring on a lot more of the FOMO into it. It will bring on lower prices, which then gives you the ability to either burn a lot easier or gather a lot more Terra Luna Classic easier at lower prices. And that's what I decided to do. So I had 50 million, 55 million. I decided to buy another 45 million or more to get me to over that threshold of 100 million. Now, there's various things that can happen with Terra Luna Classic, right? We can see the restoration of the algorithm, restoring USTC to $1. We could see burning that happens with the overall supply of USTC as well as Terra Luna Classic. We can see a reverse split that could happen, and that's why I wanted over 100 million. If we choose to do something like that, which I know a lot of people are against, it would take away 2 zeros, which would then keep me at 1 million Terra Luna Classic, even with the decreased overall supply, getting into the tens of billions rather than the single-digit trillions. So there's a lot of things that can happen. And with all of the unknowns that are taking place for this chain, all of the still conversations and still FOMO areas and time periods that we can see with this, it's very, very interesting for where we can go and what we can gain from it. And that's why I'm so solid on this. That's why I believe that Terra Luna Classic is going to be worth a lot more than people think. So if you've had the chance to look into it, I can't wait until Terra Luna Classic proves everyone wrong. Every single one of you that doubted it, that still doubts it to this day, and probably still will doubt it on the way up. I can't wait until it proves everyone wrong. 1 cent price point is not a ridiculous level. It is a $40 to $50 billion market cap at the current stage with the current supply. Meaning that we can see it go from 4 zeros to 1 zero. Meaning that we're adding 3 zeros to what we currently have. So if I have, let's say, $4,619.99, let's just say 4,600. I'm adding 2 zeros to it. So $46,000, $460,000 just to add those 2 zeros to it, right? That's what is and can be absolutely amazing, and see that growth. Now, adding those 2 zeros, that would mean that I'm getting up to, or 3 zeros would mean that I'm getting up to, more than a 1 cent price. But a 1 cent price point would be a massive level for me, right? Would be, for me, a 1 cent price point would be $1 million. That's where I would stand. Not 500,000, not 400,000. $1 million would be adding the third zero to it, which would be fantastic. But it's not a given. I'm just excited to have this opportunity. And with the community being 100% in control of where this goes, I hope that we can all come together and figure something out for the future. But it's more than just a meme coin. That's what's interesting. That's why this community driven coin that you can do so much with can flow across multiple bull runs without losing its integrity, because it's more than a meme coin, right? So I want to know what you guys think about this. Are you still holding Terra Luna Classic? Do you have more of this position, or have you sold all of it? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my link for BTCC down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.